Conquer English. Mastering Inseparable Phrasal Verbs. Hello everyone. Welcome back to another video in our series on English language learning. Today, we're going to delve deep into the world of inseparable phrasal verbs. We'll look at what they are, how to use them, and explore some common examples. So, if you've been struggling with phrasal verbs, this video is definitely for you. Inseparable phrasal verbs are a type of phrasal verb that, as the name suggests, can't be separated. They are a combination of a verb and a preposition or an adverb that create a unique meaning when used together. The important part to remember here is that the object cannot come between the verb and the preposition, adverb. Inseparable phrasal verbs are vital because they are very common in everyday English conversation and writing. They allow us to express complex ideas with just a few words. Understanding them will not only boost your vocabulary but also your comprehension and fluency. Let's dive into some examples. 1. Run into, to meet by chance. Example: I ran into my old friend at the supermarket today. 2. Get over, to recover from something. Example: it took me a while to get over my cold. 3. Look after, to take care of someone or something. Example: can you look after my cat while I'm on vacation? 4. Come across, to find or encounter something by chance. Example: I came across this interesting book in the library. 5. Go on, to continue doing something. Example: please go on with your story. I'm very interested to hear the rest. Each of these inseparable phrasal verbs has a distinct meaning that may not be immediately apparent from the individual words. But with practice, you'll start recognizing and understanding them naturally. The best way to master inseparable phrasal verbs is through practice. Start by trying to use these examples in your daily English conversations. Then, read English books, watch English shows, and listen to English songs. You'll begin to notice these phrasal verbs everywhere, helping you understand their context and usage. That wraps up our exploration of inseparable phrasal verbs. Remember, understanding and using these phrases effectively will greatly enhance your English language skills. So, keep practicing. We hope you found this video informative and engaging. Stay tuned for more videos on English language learning. Until next time, keep learning and keep growing.